Good morning, class. Today, this is your science class. Okay. Now, as you can see on the screen, just now, as you can see on the screen, that the plants are there. है ना? You can see the green plants are there, right? Plants, and you can see it's a daylight. It's a daylight, and this small one, the beautiful plant, right? There are soil also. Why am I showing you those many things? Because as you can see that these are the things, as those things are made by the God, that we know very well. Okay, so today what are we going to study? We are going to study our chapter 8, and the name of the chapter is States of Matter. Okay, so whatever I have shown you, the plants, soil, even the sunlight, means sun is there. So all are those things which are made by the nature, which is made by the nature. All the things that is made by nature, okay, that are found in nature, we call them natural things. So here the define, you can see natural things are things that are found, in nature. Okay, those are known as natural things. And see, I have written number of examples: sun, moon, birds, animals, plants, and number of examples are there. Number of examples you can think of. So many insects are there, right? So many other things are there, just like stars are there. All those things are made by God, or we say that they are found in nature. We have not made them. This is found in nature. So that is why we call them natural things. That is why we call them natural things. But now, as you can see, I have this book with me. Okay, I have a pen with me. You must be having the pencil, eraser. Okay, and see, some toys also I have kept for you people. Okay, so who has made them? They are made by human beings. So the things, as you can see the word human made things. So anything that is made by humans, are called human made things. जो हमने बनाया है, हमने मतलब humans ने, हमने बनाया है, human made things हो गया, which is already there in the nature. अगर जो नेचर में पहले से ही था, अगर वो है तो वो नेचुरल हो गया, है ना? Your soil, air, water, sun, moon, stars, plants, birds, you, me, we all are found in nature. No one has created us. No one has made us. So we all, whatever example just I told you, are the examples of natural things. And the things which are made by humans, just like your book, pencil, fan, bottle, bag, geometry, scale, eraser, number of things, n number of things, बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें. So all those things are known as human made things. Okay, they are known as human मेड थिंग्स, जो ह्यूमंस ने बनाए हैं, ह्यूमन मेड थिंग्स, जो नेचर में मिलते हैं, आर नेचुरल थिंग्स. ओके, ह्यूमन मेड थिंग्स एंड नेचुरल थिंग्स. Now, as you can see, first of all, again, let me show you some things, some objects. Okay. So, same again, your toys, just I have shown you. There is a bowl. That bowl is empty. Nothing is there. And in this, I have kept the water. Water is there. Okay. So, as you can see that wherever, if I'll keep that in this, here also it is taking the space, it is occupying the space. If I'll keep on the book also, it is taking some of the space, है ना? And it is made up of some material also. It is made up of some material also. Some material is there, thickness है ना, thick है. Something is there inside it. Something is there. So it is made up of something. So the whatever it is there inside, that is known as mass. So every object, even that bowl, that has mass because it is made up of something. The amount, the material is there inside. Okay, it is also made of something. So everything that you can see here, all are made up of something. Okay, all are made up of something. So these something means mass. 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 ठीक है? So these things are made up of some material that I am calling them mass. So I will say that these objects, whatever these objects are there, they have mass. And if I keep the objects anywhere, if I'll keep the object anywhere, that object will occupy some space. कुछ तो space occupy कर रहा है ना, कुछ तो जगह घेर ही रहा है वो, है ना, कुछ space cover कर रहा है, right? So whatever we have concluded, कि these are the objects that has mass and they occupy space also. They occupy space also. So anything that has mass, अभी बोला था ना मैंने, mass, MASS, mass and occupy space, और कुछ space cover करता है, ठीक है? Those things are known as matter. All those objects which has mass and occupy space are known as matter. So in one word, I will say that all these things, that bowl, that water, that toys, these all are matter. Even the pen that is in my hand, that is also a kind of matter because it is also taking space. See here, it is taking space. Okay. So they are known as matter. Right? They are known as matter. Actually, class, the very interesting point is, whatever you see in your surroundings, all are matter. All are matter. है ना कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज? जो भी आप अपने आसपास देखते हो, वो सारी चीजें मैटर हैं. सारी चीजें. देखो, मैंने जैसे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स लिखे हैं. बुक ह्यूमन मेड थिंग है. प्लांट नेचुरल ऑब्जेक्ट है. बर्ड्स नेचुरल है. फैन ह्यूमन मेड. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स अगेन नेचुरल. So means I have taken the example from natural and human made. तो जितनी भी चीजें हैं हमारे वर्ल्ड में, यूनिवर्स में, whatever, even your brother, your sister, your mom, your dad, your parents, means every human being, your friends also, all are matter. All are matter. क्योंकि देखो, wherever you sit, you occupy some space, you take space to sit, है ना? And you also made up of something. There is something inside you, so that is mass. It means you have mass and you occupy space also. So automatically you are matter. So the point is very simple कि जो भी आप अपने आसपास देखते हो, जो भी चेयर, टेबल, फैन, टीवी, लैपटॉप, मोबाइल, ये सारी चीजें मैटर हैं. ये सारी चीजें मैटर हैं क्योंकि इन सब में मास होता है और ये सब स्पेस भी ऑक्यूपाई करती हैं. ठीक है, ठीक है. सो हियर यू कैन सी these things, these toys and this bowl also, they are very thick, they are very hard, है ना? They are very hard and their shape, everything is fixed. Actually they are solid, है ना? This word you must be knowing. They are solid, simple, solid. They are solid. And the water present in the bowl is liquid. The water that is present in the bowl, it is liquid. And finally, this bowl has nothing. Or maybe my class is so intelligent that you will say, ma'am, it also has something. Something is also there in this also. What is there? See, nothing. Nothing is there. No. Yes, my class is guessing correct. Yes, of course. You all are very intelligent, I know. This bowl also contains something. And what is that? That is air. Air. है ना? Air तो हर जगह होती है. That we say that air remains air present everywhere. Everywhere. We can't see it. We can't see the air, but it is always there. It is there in this empty bowl. It is there in our surroundings also. So air is everywhere. So what I said, that there is solid, that liquid, and the air. Air means gas. Whatever is there, that also has some mass and occupies space. That also has mass and occupy space also. इसके अंदर जितना भी स्पेस है वो सारा एयर ने फिल किया हुआ है. वो सारा इसमें एयर ने फिल किया हुआ है. तो एयर भी मैटर हो गई बिकॉज उसने स्पेस कवर किया है. और चाहे बहुत ही कम, बट इट ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ, एयर इज ऑल्सो मेड अप ऑफ समथिंग, मीन्स दैट ऑल्सो हैज मास. है ना? जब विंड ब्लो करती है, आंधी आती है, स्टॉर्म्स आते हैं, हमें फील होता है ना एयर कितनी तेज तेज ब्लो करती है. राइट? सो इट मीन्स वो ब्लो कर रही है, वो हमें पुश कर रही है. इसका मतलब उसमें मास तो है. इट हैज मास डेफिनेटली. राइट? सो द स्पेस occupied by air and it also has mass. It proves that air is also a matter, and air means gases. Gases. Okay, so come back to the topic. As I just told you, matter is anything that has mass and occupy space. अब वो चाहे कुछ भी हो, वो किसी भी तरह का सॉलिड हो, लिक्विड और गैस, एवरीथिंग कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ मैटर ओनली, मैटर ओनली, ठीक है, मैटर, दैट्स इट. सो on the basis of these things that I just told you, we divide the matter in 3 states. States मतलब some objects we found in solid, okay, some objects we found in liquid, and some we found in gas form also, just like oxygen, carbon dioxide, they all are gases. So these 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm repeating, 1, 2, 3, these all 3 are known as matter. These all 3 things are known as matter. ये matter हो गया. Solid जैसे आपकी बुक, पेंसिल, eraser, glasses, bottles, they all are solid, so they also matter. Liquid just like milk, water, oil, tea, coffee, all these are liquid, so they are liquid. And the gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, all are gases. ठीक है, all are gases. So we divide the matter in 3 states, 1, 2, 3, 3 states. Okay, solid, liquid, gas, solid, liquid, gas. So matter has 3 states. Okay, matter has 3 states. Okay, so till here I think the topic will be clear to you. So in this we have studied only natural things found in nature, human made things made by humans, and anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Simple, very simple actually. And we divide the matter into 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. So I hope today the topic is clear to you. Okay, read the first page of chapter 8 so that you will get it more clearly understandings. Okay, thank you so much class. Bye.